In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to return or exchange Target gift cards. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that Target gift cards and Target e-gift card are generally non-refundable and cannot be refunded or exchanged for cash except where required by law. This means that once a gift card has been purchased, you usually cannot return it for a refund or exchange it for a different gift card. If a gift card has not been received, has been lost, or has a balance issue, contact Target customer support as soon as possible. If you have your purchase receipt or the confirmation or gift card details, the support team may be able to help investigate the issue or in eligible cases, replace the card. If you received a damaged physical gift card that cannot be scanned, or your e-gift card is not working properly, Target customer support can also assist with verifying the balance and determining whether a replacement is available. If you're trying to return an item that was purchased using a Target gift card, that's different from returning the gift card itself. Eligible refunds for returned merchandise are typically issued back to a Target gift card or the original payment method depending on Target's return policy. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.